this car, we bought a shell and we don't know what it came with.
Hey guys, Rural JDM here. Today we are here with the Pintara. Now, as you remember, this thing is engineless, awaiting a Barra to go inside, out of the territory that's parked on the other side. I haven't got around to it yet. It's a bit of a project, it's gonna be quite expensive. So, in this video, Jake and Tom have decided to bring a car to the farm. Now that car is sitting right over there, near the Pintara, because if we're gonna do some things to the cars, they'd have to be pretty close. So, right next to the garage, parked over there. And we are planning, well, I am planning to Barra swap this. And they are planning to Barra swap this. This is a 2006 Mazda RX8. They bought it completely stripped. So in this video, we're going to be stripping the interior, and yeah, we're going to be Barra swapping this and that at roughly the same time. So this is giving me a bit of a kick up the arse to get started, and I'm not going to be posting this footage on this channel after this video. This is kind of like a shout out to them. So please make sure you check out their YouTube and social media links in the description. They're going by JTO Works. And yeah, that's for obviously Jake and Tom. I hope you guys enjoy the journey that Jake and Tom recorded. Any videos, updates on this one will be on their channel. So make sure to check it out.
We bought an RX8. It looks really nice.
You know I can't wait, got my mental at the state, riding that flying through space, got me running. Best to pack, my turn my lights off, crash, get a leg, make the 808 soft, I'm boosted. No time for procrastination, I've been wasting, don't need the excuses. Red lights in my eyes, so they talking shit, I'm blind. Yes, I hold it down, homie, yes, I hold it down. On the road, I'm just in my section, but they tested, fuck these petty hoes. I'm just trying to chill, hey. Hey, let's go, vibing in the set, I'm riding through it, waves you just can't get.
I received a call on Monday night. Why did I receive a call Monday night?
I said I had made an irresponsible decision.
And where is this irresponsible decision located?
At the moment, your house.
Yes, so here we are with a Mazda RX8. Has a lack of many things, and we'll go through it further when it comes off the trailer. This is a bit more of a painful process because there's no brakes anywhere, so good luck to them. Oh, sure.
That's how it's called.
Yeah, sure. It's the only department that I'm moderately organised in. What do you want? Got big fuckers? Small fuckers? Somewhat fuckers? I like the cool design on the taillights.
Yeah, Hello. What are we doing tonight, Josh? Or Tom? Or both?
This is a disaster. This is a piece of shit.
Talking shit on our good Mazda.
It's in my front, yeah?
In this car, we bought a shell and we don't know what it came with.
Hey, you just broke a glove box.
I think it was broken when it got you.
Oh, of course it was. Yeah.
What do you want to do with this? It's not cracked, so I think it's fine. The clips are a little bit gone. Oh, I found a cum rag.
Jake.
So this looks
Fucked.
brand new.
Oh, this one actually looks really good.
Yeah?
Brute
Is it
just
full
looks...
or though?
I don't know. I don't think there's any identifiers. Oh, there's a clip remover in here.
Oh, I've got one in the car.
You don't even need it. Came with one.
Oh, nice.
Oh, the calipers in here.
Yeah, what calipers?
What? Come on.
Calipers, 2. Oh, so we've got 4 calipers. Are they from the RX8?
I don't know.
Let's take some pictures.
I've never owned an RX8.
The freaking bonnet.
Let's put it on.
Can we please? Does it? Is that possible? When does it? Hang on. What is there? There's no attachment point in here.
Oh, because it's carbon bonnet. That's for the stock bonnet.
This is why it didn't. This is why it doesn't have it. It should go somewhere. All over
Am I
again.
the first person to sit in an RX8?
Yeah.
You are the first person to sit in the
We'll
RX8.
push you around.
Hey!
We could push you around. How does it feel to be the first person to sit in the RX8?
Lovely. Fantastic. It was my dream car when I first started liking cars.
Comfy, spacious.
Man, oh, very spacious.
Oh, look at the space.
Heaps of leg room.
God.
I think you could have more. Oh, I reckon we take the back seats out of more. Alrighty guys, well I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a little bit of a short one, but I didn't want to drag it out too long because nothing really happened besides us fucking around with the car. They're coming over next weekend, work on the car some more. We're going to be, next weekend, we're doing a full vlog of our whole weekend, including a free flow event and a special engine problem-ish. Don't want to give away too much, but stay tuned for the weekend vlog coming up. I'm planning to have it as a really long form video of highs and lows and having a great time. So stay tuned for that and check out JTO Works in the description, and I will see you in the next one.
Go dream, let's go dream, let's go. Let's go dream, let's go motherfucking dream, yeah. For a better life, for a better life.